Man, always a party at. Me first order lunch, then I lumbe. But now get some young.
What's that, man?
Man, I was in happiness.
And then what happened? What happened?
A chap stopped to me. I need a phone.
I know a guy.
You trust him?
In my life.
How his prices?
Don't break the bank.
I don't want this iPhone that is washed.
No. Not things like that.
It's just him. You trust him?
I trust
You
this guy.
send me a number.
I'll send you the guy.
Yeah. So guys, today we're talking about word of
Mouth.
Are you sure?
Properly.
Not word of eyes.
Are you talking with the eyes? You're talking with the friends. You're right.
So, word of mouth should actually be one of the core strategies for your marketing plan. This is because it is free of
Literally.
but there's a catch.
You must invest in your brand.
So that people can actually trust the brand after they find you, after someone recommends it. So meaning when I say I'm looking for a place that is great for dinners, let that reservation number
Be available.
yes, or that email,
Be responsive.
those DMs.
Have people to reply.
Please.
Even a short time also, not
Yes.
just like this.
So that's how it's free, because I get to tell him about a great place,
Mhm.
and when he goes to check it out,
It's actually great.
so I send you a client for free. I become a champion. So
Proper.
also, sometimes you can mix in a discount for people who refer. We shall talk about a referral system later on.
Another
But
video.
otherwise, what else does a word of mouth?
Word of mouth has a compounding effect. Basically meaning, if you tell me, I tell someone tells another person, it's compounding. One message reaching multiple people.
For example, GoPro.
Oh, perfect example.
GoPro hacked it where videographers actually told other videographers about an amazing product.
And it just kept
It's grown on me, and now this is like by far my favorite GoPro I've ever owned.
getting that
working.
demand.
So even you guys who buy them and just keep them under the bed, you bought them clearly because you saw some guy
who talked about it. It was dope, and then you bought it and also told someone about it.
That's
We
it.
know you told someone.
So it compounds
Over a period of time.
Yes.
So for one from brand, one product, just getting massive awareness.
coverage.
Yes.
for free again.
That one.
Which
Which other one?
I'm thinking also it's a great way to get honest feedback.
What the? How the? A perfect circle? Do it again. Show your process.
Word of mouth gets you honest feedback.
CJs?
Yes.
CJs?
So whether positive
Or
or
negative.
negative. So as a brand, why word of mouth is important and why you should always pay attention to it is you get honest feedback from your customers.
Yes.
Both the haters and the lovers.
And it's stuff that you can actually action. You react to this feedback by fixing or making better.
Exactly. Because CJ's won in this way. Everyone was taking a snap of that plate that is labeled. So every slay queen, every rich guy, whatever, aspirers, all of them were like, that brand must be
Good.
cool. Yeah, I'm seeing it all over the place. Instagram had just come, Then we went on Snap and we snapped it. Then WhatsApp brought the stories.
That guys went there and had that car cooling effect. What's that thing that looks like a fountain? That one.
It led into viral.
Which is
that
the one
correct
thing.
one?
Yes, that's the one. Because word of mouth has a viral potential.
Yes.
Especially with all the social media that we have now.
You know?
When I like something, I talk about it. Then I also talks about it. And then I talks about it. Before you know it,
Fire.
like the economy.
Yes, but also going viral is relative. So as a brand, using word of mouth, it's not about going viral or paying the attention to word of mouth, but it carries your brand into places
That you never would have gotten naturally.
yes,
Hence viral effect.
viral effect.
Another one I've just thought about.
Yeah.
What word of mouth does for brands is it helps you like put your foot out there when you're looking for partnerships. So you're looking for authentic people to deal with, to partner with, to work with. Word of mouth is a great way to send.
To sense how is this influencer working? What do people think about
What do
them?
they say about
So
this
you
person?
avoid mismatches.
When disasters, where you go hire
Yes.
someone, partner with someone.
And then your brand actually is attached and there is damage.
Yes.
So word of mouth helps brands or even influencers vet brands, does that brand pay? So from creators, if other creators are saying that brand,
then you also know if they are
pay 100% deposit, Murife what?
run away on this one.
So the other way is round, where they are influencers who are known or partners who overpromise
That deliver.
So brands, you
Run away.
or they have to deliver first before
They get paid. But it could also be the case where someone actually delivers good work.
Yes.
They offer great value. And because you hear about this, you're like, you know what?
I want to work
I want to talk to this
brand
person.
or I want to work with that person. Hence, word of
Mouth. Simple to use, very easy to understand. An amazing result,
and
man.
you can imagine it has always been there
From the time people started speaking.
from when I need a tailor, when I need a carpenter, when I need a mechanic, when I need the
New pair of shoes.
new pair of shoes.
And now that you need a phone.
When I'm looking for a new landlord, I look for a broker. I call a guy to give me his broker in that area. Hence, word of mouth. So as brands, as businesses, word of mouth should be core to your marketing strategy because it has a 90% conversion rate. Like the customer already
Trusting someone that is giving them information. They know and believe this thing is good. Or this thing is bad.
Until the next one.
See you guys. Be good.